Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
It's not uncommon for parents to accept several children at a time. But this woman found herself in a very peculiar circumstance as she became the first woman to spontaneously accept quintuplets in the Czech Republic. To truly understand this story, of course, we need to learn a little bit more about the mom in question. Alexandra Kanova was a mere 23 years old in 2013. Like many others, this Czech native gave birth that year, and she welcomed a new addition to her home and her heart. There was something unusual about her birth, however, and it didn't take long for people around the globe to know not only her name but also her story. Incredibly, this was not the first step Alexandra made into the realm of motherhood. A few years ago, she'd welcomed a son and had always dreamed of having a few more children with her husband to make their family even bigger. She was over the moon to learn she was pregnant again because of this. She had big dreams of what she wanted from a family unit, and this new addition would give her the opportunity to lovingly shower a new child. Fortunately, the rest of the pregnancy has gone to schedule. Like many other women who have multiple births, the quintuplets of Alexandra have been born much earlier than the average child solos. The doctors were also concerned about how Alexandra coped during labor, so they eventually decided that the best course of action would be a C-section. When the quintuplets took their first breath into the world, they were taken to intensive care immediately to be checked over. Alexandra and her partner learned before too long that their babies were absolutely healthy. Alexandra and her partner soon realized after the special moment that there was something else about their strange birth which was special too. A doctor by the name of Alina Merchova explained to news.com.au that medical professionals in the Czech Republic had been recording county birth statistics since 1949. They'd never once had one of their citizens welcome quintuplets over that course of that period. What made the whole thing even more impressive was the fact that the quintuplets were spontaneously conceived by Alexandra. When Alexandra and her partner first went to the doctor, having their first prenatal ultrasound, they were over the moon to discover that they were expecting twins. After all, that's what they'd been told by the doctor, and that's what the doctor thought they could see on the computer. A subsequent consultation, however, told them that this was wrong. It was during this journey to surgery with the doctor that they discovered they had quadruplets. They couldn't believe they had 4 kids but were excited. They were hit with an even bigger shock as the couple tried to prepare themselves for having 4 children. As they went to the appointment of the next doctor, they were promptly told that it would not be 4 children. The latest ultrasound showed all the babies in their glory on the screen, and the doctor was able to confirm that Alexandra was carrying 5 children without any of them hiding behind one another. As soon as she saw the 5th head on the ultrasound, the young mom broke down in tears. Alexandra and her partner are expecting their 5th child. The couple are expecting quintuplets. Alexandra says she feels incredibly lucky to be blessed with so many children. Alexandra felt completely fine in herself after pregnancy. She had no complications over the course of her journey. Alexandra suffered from morning sickness for 4 months. Alexandra was amazed with how she was coping with the pregnancy. She was able to sleep on her side with ease, and she didn't even have any problems with breathing. Alexandra gave birth to quintuplets at the local hospital. The hospital had extra doctors and nurses on hand to care for her and her babies. They even administered medicine to the newborns to help speed up their development. The decision was made to deliver all 5 babies through C-section. This would leave room for any complications throughout the delivery process. It was an extremely emotional moment for everyone involved. Michael, Danielle, Alex, Martin, and Tereska were born on July 23, 2013. They're the first set of quintuplets to be born in over a decade. They were rushed to the intensive care unit to ensure that they were healthy. Alexandra, their mother, was monitored by doctors to make sure that she was doing well. She and her partner are now the proud parents of 4 boys and 1 girl. Alexandra welcomed her quintuplets 6 years ago, and she's still incredibly proud of her achievement. She's still the only person to naturally welcome quintuplets without the help of IVF or other fertility treatments. At just 29 years old, the young woman is a mother of 6 relatively young children. Alexandra and her partner must make sure that they constantly update their wardrobes and make sure they fit. At 5 birthdays on the same day, the present bill for the family must be huge. All of Alexandra's children are now thriving, and they're as healthy as ever. Doctors noted that there was a 95% chance that they would grow up to be healthy. Alexandra and her partner are coping well with their busy family life. They started kindergarten in 2018. We've also been able to see some updated photographs of the siblings, which shows just how similar they really are. The Czech Republic has broken a record in their country for the most babies born in a year. That's something you just couldn't even make up if you tried. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.